Also, I noticed that we do have a lot of color in this image overall, maybe a little bit too much for my liking. And you could stop right here, and we've already went over quite a bit of stuff and for this tutorial. But what I'm going to do as a final adjustment, I'm going to click on the girl layer down here, hold down Alt, Option on the Mac, and I'm going to select the photo filter right here, and I'm just going to create a photo filter here over this entire image, but I think I'm just going to use gray, like a medium gray. And if that doesn't work, then I can probably just brighten that gray a little bit. This is before, and it's a very slight change. You can see this is after. So let's go ahead and zoom out and take a look at it. Looking really good. And it looks like I could probably paint a little bit more down here. There we go. So you get the idea. I could go a little further on it, but this is generally how we can apply and incorporate special effects into our own photos that we have and create images that look very similar to this. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and we'll see you guys in the next video.